Here is one of the main strumming patterns for Blackbird. This is a finger style thing, so you're going to use your thumb to get the bass strings, and your index finger is going to go to the G string, your middle finger is going to go to the B, and your ring finger is going to go to the high E. With the left hand, we're on a G chord. Your first finger is on the 10th fret of the A, and your ring finger is on the 12th fret of the B strings. And your thumb and middle are going to pluck the A and B strings at the same time. And then you're going to take your index finger and you're going to flick down twice on the G and B strings. Actually, the G and B strings. And I am going through that one and that one, but they're muted with my left hand. Then you're going to take your thumb and pluck the A again, and then your index is going to hit the G string or pluck the G string, and then you're going to flick down on the G and B strings again. If we put that together, we have this. Pick, flick, flick, pick, pick, flick. Pick, flick, flick, pick, pick, flick. Thumb and middle, index, index, thumb, index, index.